5 World's Tech News in English. Macaws finally returned to their home. A group of macaws that were rescued from Guatemala are being transported to the rainforests, where a life of freedom awaits. Hummingbirds stop for a drink. A group of thirsty hummingbirds gathers around a man holding a cup of sugar solution. The little critters were dying for a drink on a hot day. The cute pitter-patter of running quails. The robust little birds get fidgety at the slightest disturbance. When excited, you can hear them pitter-pattering away on their tiny feet. Cockatiel can't wait for Dad to get home. A white cockatiel simply loves his dad too much. When he leaves for work, the bird waits all day long for him to come back. Blue jay forms strong bond with rescuer. A blue jay visits his rescuers to return the favor the human was able to get through a tough time thanks to the bird.